Yo! Oh, man. Not that active of time. Market just kind of grinding. I mean, I talked about this in Discord earlier this morning. What up, Dean? That just felt like a grind type day, and that's exactly what we just got. What up, Tommy? Dude, it's crazy. Crazy. Just not going anywhere. Oh, what up, Augustine? Oh, it's Maria. What's up? Yeah, I see everyone's like at name. Yo. Is that one word Augustine Anvil? Augustine Anvil? Yo, what up, Barbie? Yo, we're probably gonna play poker tomorrow night if you're around. Just throwing it out there. Probably throw together a little tournament action. You don't have to play. You come fucking just hang out. Hang out with the boys. A couple girls in there. Oh, Augustina. There you go. Yo, I hate this new thing that has all these at fucking signs. You need more stories about washing cocks? There's probably going to be a bunch. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't even know who that guy was, who Myth was even talking about. Seems like a story that Myth was actually watching happen, to be honest. Oh, what up, Double O? Yeah, honestly, we're getting too close to 25,000 to kind of not touch it. Once you get close enough, you got to touch it. You know what I'm saying? He was talking about Dell. Oh, that's who he was talking about? I didn't know that. R.I.P. Dell. Oh, man. Yo, Dell will forever look like the guy from that GIF. Hello, Marie. Dude, that fucking ball washer. I've washed my balls in there a couple times. Maria, you all caught up on your orders? Yo. You were missed. Yo, Marie got in at the bottom and still holding. Man, I got such a busy night ahead of me. Oh, that's tomorrow I was thinking about. Shit. Tonight's not bad. Still working away? Yo, only if it was like a year ago, you could probably get some people to help you out. Man, this market is just freaking. It's definitely duty. Definitely duty. Personal account is loving it. Oh, you don't like it? I thought you liked doing it. What's up, investors? I thought you liked doing it. Yo, I better order one. Um, do you have multiple stores on there, Marie? I want to say I found 3 stores that could be you. Oh, one's not selling on Etsy anymore. Oh, that is you. Yeah, I was looking at the one that you put on hold. Dude, I'm gonna order. My kid wears these things. Are these kid friendly? Did 220 mile an hour to get lunch, ate 3 burritos, smoked a J, and now got yo, Chris. Sounds like a good lunch, to be honest with you. What's up, Monet? Are you selling stitch patterns? Oh, but you're not selling the actual. That's digital. I want the actual thing. Uh, it's up to Marie. I could post it. It's up to Marie. Marie has to give me the okay. Dude, this market freaking sucks. Yo, what up, AD? I'm watching this wonderful market of ours. Let's take a little 50 bounce. A little bounce off the 50. Stochastic are so low. Don't wick me out. Don't wick me out, good sir. Come on. I'll post it if Marie says I can. It's up to her. If she says I could post it, I'll post it in here. not holding the 50. Cool. Watch it pop right here. It's garden earthy, right? Garden earthly. Boom. She makes everything. It's bracelet beads, neck beads, anal beads. You name it. She's got it. Dude, market maker voodoo dolls. I would buy one of those. All right. Honestly, watch this. I am playing off this 5-minute inversion. I'm going to grab small off of this. What I really want to do is I want to see us under 84. Under 84 gets us moving. I should have waited till this fucking close, to be honest with you. If this closes below, I will get in. My stop will be 47. Yo, Marie, that's Maria, by the way. Augustina is Maria. Yeah, with all the weird names, it's hard to see everybody. It's just the way YouTube's showing you the @ name when you signed up. Yeah, I figured you didn't, Marie. That's why I was throwing it out there. What up, Stock Itch? All right, so we closed below. I'm in. My stop is 47. If we start picking up steam, I think this can go, but we're going to see what happens. What up, Penny? What's up, Fred? I'm an idiot. Idiot. It happens, man. Yo, what? Chris, you got a caretaker? All seriousness, this is the perfect time to have a reversal. The old 2 o'clock, good ass time to have a reversal. Man, if they flip this, I'd love to see like 100 points down. Boom, 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 boom. You've been promoted to coach? Coach! All right, I'm going to take 3 off right here. And I'm going to move this 3 to break even. Boing! Pretty solid, right? Hey, man, if you want, take it all off. I'm going to get stopped, and then they're going to dump it. I think it was a good trade. I think it's going to go further. How's that sound? I think if we can get under 880, there's going to be fireworks. Dude, what is this? 890? Under 890, it's fucking over. Under 890, yo, I'm telling you what, I'm turning over a new leaf here. I'm going to probably have a couple of accounts where I just kind of hold it. Crazy, I know. What's up, Dreamer? Smash the freaking like button and subscribe if you haven't. Yo, hit my like button so hard. It feels so good. Come on. Come on. We know you're going to go down. Just go down. Sounds like my Saturday night combo. But anyways, come on down. Man, get under 890. Woo. free longs? The fuck? Free longs. Thanks, Captain. I mean, listen, feel free to take it off when you want. I've taken it off in a couple of accounts already. I'm just holding 6 micros here and 4 micros, but I had a bunch more. Yo, chop. The chop is real, people. Yo, I'm telling you, man, we go over fucking. Let's see what we got here. Almost. Almost. Yeah, you could have bought 1 micro and just held it. I mean, you know, it's so easy to say after the fact. You know what I'm saying? After the fact, it's so easy to say, oh, if I just would have bought this or I just would have bought that. Like, it's easy. It's in the moment that's fucking hard to say, I'm going to hold this. Dude, there's been some big option purchases recently. Somebody just bought OKLO. Massive position. Calls. Farah, I'll tell you exactly. They bought 140s. September 2026 140s. There's been a big. They bought just about $3 million worth. I mean, the stock trades at $90, and they bought 140s. It's a lot out of the money. I saw big Google purchase the other day. I saw. I'll tell you right now some of the other ones I saw. Navarro. I saw. Oh man, INTC and APLD recently. Like by recently, I mean like as of last week. You had 3 funded accounts, $50 away from a payout, lost them all in the chop last night. Dude, stop DCAing and stop playing at night. I like to wake up just fresh. You don't want to wake up being like, fuck me. What the fuck did I do last night? Believe me, we've all woken up like that. More often it's Saturday or Sunday morning. But anyways, we've all woken up in the morning. We're like, what just happened last night? I don't want to be doing that. Yo, Captain, why don't you run just like a trend? Why don't you run like a trend indicator, and when it's green, you just don't short, like adaptive trend flow or something like that. Yeah, I would get like a trend software or something like that. Dude. Yeah, like Super Trend is another one. Like all you need is a little something something to tell you that you're in an uptrend or downtrend and you just don't fight it. I wouldn't do this in a funded account, by the way. Hold on one second. I got to go grab something real quick. They just delivered my Costco. I just want to put my meat away. Hold on one second. I just got to get my meat. Yo, I'm back. How to put my meat away. You're not a coach? Could have fooled me. They all fool me over there. Bro, my fucking Ninja Trader just stopped. The fuck? Well, what the fuck is up with Ninja Trader? Shit just stops. Locked in another one. So what is that? Just locking it in, man. Just fucking locking it in. Oh. We go under 190, I probably start adding. I may or may not back up the truck at 190. When they're doing no buffer, I got to look into it. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing because obviously they have some type of buffer. I just don't want to tell you something that's not true. Come on, market. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Dude, I'll be honest with you. I only swing trade during Asia. You will not see me do anything besides swing trading during Asia. It just doesn't make it just there's too much back and forth that I only swing trade. Just throwing it out there. Come on down. Bro, Instacart is like a lifesaver. Like, I freaking love Instacart, man. To do my grocery shopping? No, go the other way. Go the other way. Go the other way. I'm already out of 2/3 of my position, though. Just throwing it out there for anybody who's watching, waiting. Holy shit. Look at that fucking candle. Yo, it just wicked me out. Watch. Let's see what happens here. Eight, 17. Oh, am I going to get back in this shit? I probably am. I took a gold long, by the way. Just Just throwing it out there. By the way, the gold long is something that I am testing. It's something completely different that I normally would play. So I just want you to be aware of that. I need to throw that out there. I took a gold long, and I'm playing around with playing gold because people have asked about gold. So I'm testing gold out, and I'm long in gold. Throwing it out there. My stop is 4,111.1, and my TP is 41.33. I am in at, where the fuck did I get in at? I got in at 41.15.6. So I just throwing it out there to everybody. I just took half off this position, and I'm at even. Why I took it? I'm playing around with building something on Ninja, and I'm just kind of following my alerts. All right, I just took that off. I just took that off at the 200, by the way. Yeah, when I play Asia, I size down and I let it move around a lot. Like a real lot. You think it? I think it's time for a duck race. It is time for a duck race. It's time for a duck race. The time is today. Time's definitely for today. I'm letting this bounce. What do you think I should do? Celsius or cold brew? Celsius or cold brew? What's in the cards for me today? We got one for a Celsius, cold brew. Yo, Dreamer, you ain't kidding. I used to drink those all the time. Another cold brew. Oh my God. Use Asia as and yeah, I size down about I play about a third of what I normally play. And I move my stop like 3 times. I got a big stop on me. You know what I'm saying? I'll go like 50-point stop instead of like 15. So I play a couple of times. I'll just set my stop and I'll set my take profit, and we either hit it or we don't. Or if I go to bed and I don't like where we are, I'll put an order in where I want to buy, and I'll go to bed. But I always have a stop in. I always have a take profit in. I'm going to get my cold brew. Hold on a second. It's just in a can. It's in a can. Bro, I just bought this fucking yogurt. The yogurt was just delivered. It just dropped out of my fridge and broke on my freaking kitchen floor. Unreal. Cold brew. So what I do is I pour milk at the bottom, and I put the cold brew in so it mixes a little bit, but not a lot of it. So it keeps it still separate. So basically, I can drink my cold brew with a little mix of milk, and once I get down to here, I fill more cold brew in, and I don't have to go back and put any more milk. Yo, flip a zip. Yo, what's tomorrow's news? What is it, CPI? No, I cleaned it up, Dreamer. I wish it was beer. It's cold brew. It's my cold brew. Yo, what's the news tomorrow? Oh, PPI? Yo, I'm going to try passing some accounts on PPI tomorrow. There's some D-bag is probably like, guys, that's gambling. Yes, I am going to roll the motherfucking dice on PPI tomorrow. Psh. Yo, I actually watched some guy make $2 in profit trading one micro today. Wild world we're in. Yo, I think we're going lower. What up, Adam? I'll load up some Apex joints. Yo, I need Lucid to do $45 resets. This is looking bullish. This is getting over everything. We're kind of breaking this down. Man, this fucking market, man, it's crazy. Mad Boxy in the house. Yo, Lee B, I sent you an email. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, what up, Chris? Is your girl making more money than you? Yo, how's your girl trading? Trying to make $1 out of 15 cents there, Adam. Nah, Survivor Pool ended. Sean and I think Sean and BK were the last two. They both got knocked out the same day. Damn, Chris. Yeah, you better. I'm just being honest with you. I would, I would make some moves before the rebill. Met a prop firm owner when I was in Miami who admitted he wants 90% of traders to fail. I mean, it's their business model. They basically make money off of you revenge trading, levering up, not following your strategy. Dude, it's not a competition, man. Everyone's on their own thing. I played crypto over the weekend. I made good money over the weekend. Trading's going pretty good. NQ, pretty good. I've been trying to hit a good short here, but I don't think the market's going to give it to us. It's fucking 3 o'clock, and we've done nothing but go up. So I'm still in this gold long, by the way. Yeah, if they take you live, they want you to win. That is correct. Yo, I'm up almost $10 on gold right now. I'm gonna take it. It's $600 profit. Should I take it? All right, I'm out gold. $600. There's some that take you live faster than others. Some that never take you live. It's normal market hours, except for obviously we're closed on Thursday because it's Thanksgiving, and then Friday it closes at 1. What? Think I left a letter out. Oh, I did. There you go. That's because I was doing things too fast. I need an honest opinion, Cove. What's the honest? Wait, I thought copy trading was illegal though. Basically, it's not copy trading. You trade with their money. Cove, what you say about that Topstep no activation fee? Well, they charge you $89 for the same thing My Funded Futures gives you for $77. So I'd rather only pay $77. To be honest with you, you get 50% of your money, end of day, 50% consistency rule on evals, no consistency rule on funded. It's all the same shit except My Funded Futures. I don't have to use Project X, which is a plus, and it's cheaper. So I'd probably stick with My Funded Futures. I don't see the benefit of Topstep over My Funded Futures. When I play MOC, how far would you place an order from market price? I don't play MOC right now. Man, when we were doing it, yeah, Topstep has some new payout rules they changed. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, Dakota looks like some guy that used to get beat up when he was in high school. Like, and now he's got a platform. I don't know. I never had a conversation with him. I'm just telling you what he looks like. Yeah, I mean, he's getting paid by Topstep. What do you think he's going to say? He's going to say, oh, it's not that good? Like, he's getting paid by them. He's like, literally, he gets a salary from them. So, I mean, what is he going to say? You know, if you were at your job and your boss was in front of you watching you and someone asked what you think about the job, you're going to be like, yo, this is the best job ever, man. These guys, this company's the best. You know, did you expect him to say anything else? He's got to say what he's got to say. Like he has to say they're the best. They make you use that shit platform too. On how I backtest with TradingView, Steven, you're not going to like it at all. It's called manual. You basically go right here. And say, for argument's sake, I don't know, every time we dip and take an inversion or something like that, like I just say, okay, I would get in here, out. Okay, 1 for 1. You know, that's how I do it manually on here. Is just, and then I put it on a spreadsheet. There is no special way that I know of, and then I just keep scrolling back. You know, okay, here's another one. Boom. Yeah, Marie, something to do with that. Your payout. I'm fucking. What's my favorite Scarface album? That's old. Yeah, everything that everything I do on here is just manual. Like if I'm doing like an orb, say like here's the 15-minute orb, and I say, you know, okay, every time we break the orb to the downside and come back up through and close, you know, and I got in at close and my stop is the bottom of the orb and we hit the top of the orb, I just say, okay, close. I would get in. We don't get stopped out. I hit the top of the order. Okay, one trade, I would have gotten 60 points. Okay, cool. And I just write it in my Excel file and go back. There is no anything else. Apparently, your balance must always be above the payout or previous payout request. Fuck that. Yeah, but that's just what I do, Steven. It's just manual. The only software that does it that locks in the order is FX Replay. But you got to do it manual also. I have ones that I've done manually. Here, you want to see one? I'll send you it, Steven. Here, you're going to, let's see. Here's 99% win rate. Here, these are all backtesting videos of actually pretty good. Here, it's little things within the market. I hate them. I just tell me what's better than them than my funded futures. I'll wait. Polar, I'll definitely wait. Tell me what's better that they offer than my funded futures. And I'm doing apples to apples. Like take profit trader is better than both of them. I'm just throwing it out there. Dude, it was a video that somebody posted, 99% win rate, and I took their indicators and did it. It was pretty cool. I think it was UT bots and something else. Dude, I would wait on TPT. I would wait until see what they do by Friday. Claudia, they moved to 30%. Just wait. You'll probably save money. Just wait. I assume they're going to go back to 40. Yeah, TPT is the best. Fucking daily payouts, no rules, no fucking this moves up, this stat, the other thing. Like, yeah, so you can only take half of your money out with Take Profit Trader for like, not Take Profit, with Topstep for like 30 days. Holy shit, they just popped this thing? Dude, this thing just fucking doesn't stop. Yeah, it was based on someone else's video. Nah, someone else made a video. Knob just started walking correctly. It took him 3 days. Yo, what up, Schulscher? 1687? Dude, I don't get why they don't show the fucking display names anymore. This is awful. Yo, I finally made the move, by the way. I finally made the move to Reddit. I got so busy. I was reading Today I fucked up so much on Reddit, I decided to make a Reddit profile. I believe you need to update something on YouTube. Um, I'll look. I'll look. I'm here right now. Videos. Yeah, I don't know. I'm looking in the which 25K accounts? TPT? Yeah, I don't see anything that I could change. I just Googled it. Oh, it's to reduce impersonation and improve moderation. Yeah, that's why they're doing it. No, this seems like it's going to be a thing to stay. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, well, the TPT 25Ks are you need 1,500 to pass, 1,500 drawdown. It's pretty fucking simple. You know, TPT went to 30% instead of 40%, but you get your eval money back if you take a payout. You get the eval money back on the one account. I've been stuck in my 3 funded 50K TPTs, but I bought. It seems like everybody likes the 25s. Yo, it's almost too easy. Boom, boom, boom. Man, this fucking market. Ooh, shit. Oh, I just hit my heel. Oh, my God. They're handing out stacks of cash. I just can't stop. I'll tell you what. I am going fucking all in on I'm going all in on Black Friday when it counts. I can just tell you that right now. What I am, what it's going to be, I don't know, but I think I earned another payout today in Apex. That's the Ali. If it was all in $36 again, I would do it. Other than that, they got weird rules. I heard they just didn't pay somebody. Like, it's fucking iffy over there. I can tell you this right now, John. You got to look at the accounts that rebill at the discounted price because those are worth more than anything else. For argument's sake, I have my funded future core accounts that rebill at $59. So if I blow them, they'll rebill the next month at $59. That saves me $18, which is a good amount of money. Was it like 25% off? So I like the ones that rebill at the low price. Somebody said that funded ticks, if you bought the account at a discount, it will be trailing versus if you bought it at not the big discount. Trade day works like Take Profit Trader, except their evaluation process sucks because it's 30% rather than 50. Yeah, I mean, those are the ones that you want. Anything that rebills at 90 off. I'll just throw it out there. Like, that's just like money management. That's just money management with when it comes to these prop firm accounts is just buy them cheap, man. Don't buy, just wait and just buy them cheap. That's what I do. On my list of firms that I want to buy a bunch of accounts with, I would like to get Apex back up to 15 funded accounts. TPT, I wouldn't mind. I'll be looking at my funded futures. Fidias, if they run the 90% off, they have cheap ass accounts I would like to get. I have a couple funded with them. And then I'll just look for these random beat up fucking firms that I never even heard of if it's super cheap. Otherwise, I'll probably not. Probably not Aquaman Futures. I just bought one from Futures funded Futures Network because it was supposed to be buy one 50% off, get one for free. So I was gonna buy like 5 and get 5 free accounts. So after I bought one, they didn't even give me the free account. I had to email them. Then they gave me a code. And then they told me that I can't buy another account and get a free one until I blow the other one that I got. And then on top of that, they don't even have Tradeify. I had to use some weird fucking program. I was like, what am I even doing over here? YRM. Yerm. Yo, I'm about to yerm. Dude, it's so fucking weird. Yeah. I mean, am I going to use Yerm? Probably not. I don't know. I mean, I'm not buying a prop shop account. Yeah, you have to blow like the free one to get another free one. I don't know. It's fucking weird. The whole thing is weird. Yo, plop shop? Is that like flop step? I don't know. You know, you got Timo 1. You got all these fucking weird ones. I would buy a trade day. I'd probably get trade day because if you can get the if you can get past the eval, the one thing I don't like about trade day, by the way, is if they send you live really fast and you can't once you're live with them, you can only have one account. So it's pretty shitty. Just an FYI, if you don't know. If you don't know, now you know. Oh my God. Dude, I did something on my back. Dude, I like moved in a certain way and fucking I like a muscle spasm. I don't know what that is. I never used beta futures before. Yo, I'm just saying that Ali, that doesn't work, my dude. Just throwing it out there. I just tried it. It doesn't work. $56 would have been worth it, but not at 89. Just throwing it out there. Topstep goes to $56. I'll get an account. $89, I'm out. Yo, I use Grab Ass Family Next. Yeah, well, Ali said it was $56. So I was like, hey, $56. I'll give I'll give them a shot for $56, but not for $89. Because if it's the same as my fund and futures, I'd rather pay $77. Never work. It doesn't work for me. Only time, one time only. Oh, well. Yeah, doesn't work for me. Guess I'm not getting one. I can tell you that. Yo, Sean, you don't like Top Cock? Dude, this fucking market, man. Yo, we've gone nowhere since I got on this thing. Well, no, that's 1 o'clock. Fucking nowhere. You're going nowhere. Well, that's good to hear, Ali. I think you gave us the update on Friday, though. I remember you saying something that it was all good. I'm glad. Shit's wild. Do I think we take out 25K? I mean, you got 25 minutes left. I don't really know. And I actually don't know. I know they're still running off their balance sheet. That's the last I heard they were still running off their balance sheet, but they've slowed, I think. This thing's just going nowhere. Is she looking to get back into trading soon, Ali? I know she was crushing trades for a while. What the fuck? Yo, Tori trades tan lines. Do you use her safety line? Dude, fucking so funny. I use her safety line all the time. Man, shit's fucking great. Everybody get your roll on. Quick roll strikes up. Let's see what we got. No, I'm not gonna roll that shit. Yo, what happened? Methodical Man was taken along with the other 4,573. So you became Methodical Man 4,574. Yo, it's so weird that you get to see everybody's freaking thing now. Dude, somebody sent me a fucking message, but oh, I don't know. It's so weird. I hate how it goes now. You can't see the display names. How they do it like that. It's so weird. Yo, hear my name. Anyone buying your course? Dude, I saw a bunch of stuff posted recently. That's freaking hysterical. Yo, this thing's just chopping around. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I banned you from there, Fred. You're done for life. Got to send feet pics to get back on. EMA trader. Block that Tory trade fucker scam probably. It's somebody in the chat, EMA. It's a joke. Tory trades tan lines. It's just a joke. It's Fred. It's just Fred hanging out. Oh, that's awesome. I just had some extra cold brew. Yeah. It's no one's really buying the course. Forget about buying the course. If you think about buying the course, send me your address. I'll kick you in the nuts and I'll save you the $499. Bro, who is Lester Yo, who is that? I've never seen him in my chat before, by the way. I've never seen him in the chat. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, this thing's going no. I'm not even gonna get into it because I'm not even gonna get into it. So, anyways, yo, my account needed a day like this. I'm up almost 10 grand in my personal account today. But let's be real. It obviously is off from the peak. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm up from the peak. From the peak, the very peak of my account, I am down. But I am up about 10,000 a day. But, yeah. Dude, that's from you ever see Secession? Yo, if PayPal didn't fuck me as bad as PayPal fucked me, I would be loving life right now. Dude, you can't change your name. You just got to get a new account. Yo, Willy Wonka? Yeah, it's not bad, but it's not. I'm not back to where I was 2 weeks ago. But if the market went back to where we were 2 weeks ago, I would be up. It's just, you know. I'm going to take a random I'm going to take a 5 fucking spot on this. Fuck me, man. I got out of that gold trade. See, so in theory, the gold trade, I should have a stop that's 176 ticks on my gold trade, right? I jumped out at 41.21. It would have hit TP. I'll announce when this gold thing gets in, by the way. I am going to continue playing gold. I have it set for alerts on Ninja Trader, so I'll just get alerts. Yo, Ray. Ray. Yo, I'm starting. So anyways, I'll let you know when the gold thing clicks in. It only made one. How many fucking trades did it make today? Yo, it made 3 trades today. So here's trade 1, trade 2, and technically it's still in. And it got in here, and we're up $15. It's alerts, Sean. It's just something I'm playing around with. It's not even. It's just something I'm playing around with. Wait, what? Ange? Anyone can look at trendline videos on YouTube, and also early in her career, she said, "I will not become a successful trader, but I will become a successful influ trader." Surf and turf, baby. I got you. It's test mode. It's test mode. I will send it. Yo, you would definitely buy her OnlyFans, Ray. Yo, I guarantee you, if she launched an OnlyFans, she makes. I bet you she makes $150,000 in the first month if she did an OnlyFans. Yo, on Reddit, you're going through her. Yo, Zaybak's like, yo, check out her photos from when she was in high school. That's how far back he went. You get them high school photos out. Yo, I feel like, oh, yo, MOC in a minute. What's up, Killer Viper? Yo, I think they're gonna bring this up to 25,000. It just feels it. What were you searching? Barely legal traders? Oh, man. Yo, what up, Trung? This is the worst fucking price action. The fuck? Go back the other way. I'm going to try passing this account right here if it comes back. I want to see some strength. I want to see them backfill all these single prints. Watch them backfill this whole fucking thing. Come on. Backfill this bitch. I don't like how long it's taken, though. Come on. You caught that to the upside? How'd you catch that to the... Oh, because it flashed? What up, Nail? So the 5 spot that I got in at 44, I'm getting out at 57. If I can get out at 57. Come on. You only get... Yo, Ange. Getting wild up in here. Come on. Come on, baby. Push it! Bro. I'm trying to pass this Lucid account. That was... Come on. Yo, dicks. You guys are being fucking dicks. Stop being dicks. Come on. I don't have that much. Oh, there we go. Come on. Get me out of this piece at 57. Yo, there's something about drinking from mason jars. I kind of like it. All right. Bro, is that not a good trade? Are you not entertained? Wait. Hold on. Are you not entertained? Was that not good? I didn't think it was going to go that high, but I think it's going to see 25,000. Why would I not hold? What made me look? I thought they were going to backfill this move, honestly, and I thought that we were too close to 25,000 not to hit it. Couch action sound. I knew to add. How's the market? It can get really slow sometimes, Steven. Yo, John R., at least you made it. Dude, you're $100 from a payout? Do you mean from the buffer, John? You're $100 from the buffer? By the way, I played this same trade. I played it in my Bulenox account and made $650. But I was down 650, so now I'm fucking even. I just made it all back. Oh, the buffer? I would get over the buffer. Once you're over the buffer, bro, I would take $100 to pay for the account. Yeah, so I like when we sweep for the most part, and then invert, a fair value gap inversion, and yeah, flags and EMA bounces pretty much. First touch. Also, like I'll play the orbs, 15 and 60, but like we're nowhere near that shit right now. Like this, play this bounce. Or I would play like as we come up through, when we come back down, like short this real quick. Shit like that. Just keep DCAing? I probably would not keep DCAing. Dude, I mean, that's close enough to 25,000 that we hit it. I think that's close enough. Dude, let's see what happens, boys and girls. Come on, pump this shit. Pump it. Pump it. Yo, get up here. Get up here, you dirty girl. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Keep going. No, keep fucking going. No, I need you higher. Don't do it. Now do it. Motherfucker. Yo, I just got another $250. Yo, good job. Yo, you see that shit? Yo, it's fucking crazy. I don't know why it happens. I don't know why it happens. It just happens, and you just fucking do it. Yo, there you go, Tommy. Yo, the only logical thing I know is they pull their buys at the end of the day. But you know, if this runs, I don't get in. I get in low enough that I get caught on the way down. You know what I mean? Like, say this is the candle, I would move my stop up, and then if it continues up, I don't chase it. You know, I get it on the way down. I never mark it in. I want it to lose its steam and come down. Get a G-Wagon? I don't think I would ever buy a G-Wagon, to be honest with you. Let's see how much a G-Wagon is. I'm just curious. G-Wagon's $150? Bro. I don't know. I'm just not like that into it. I'm not that into it. Yo, what'd you say? Algos like to finish first? How do you determine when to long versus? I never long. Oh, you're asking Ray. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I've never been inside a G-Wagon, to be real. I don't know. I'm going to keep it real. I'm not a Mercedes guy. I am I don't know, like more like a Tahoe guy. Like the Escalade is the same as the Tahoe pretty much inside. If you've ever seen both, I'm a Tahoe guy. You know, I got a Jeep. I take all the shit off my Jeep guy. Like, I'll drive that shit in the rain and get rained on type of guy. Like, I feel like that guy is not driving a G-Wagon. Dude, I took a Ford Raptor off-roading through the Ocala forest in Florida. My friend's got one, a Ford Raptor done up for racing. Like one of those like trophy trucks. I drove that shit for like fucking an hour and 20 minutes through the Ocala forest. What up, helpful? Don't just DCA. It's probably not the way. If you would DCA on a day like today, you could get freaking hosed. You have to zoom out a bit. If 4 hour is bearish and you are long, you will get smoked. Yeah, if you're playing the higher time frames, you could probably DCA. It'll work until it doesn't, but it'll work. I'll be honest with you. Overall, Ray, like if you DCA'd long, eventually it will come back. What's the promo? What's the promo, helpful? I've gotten no promo. Coach Fred's in there. Oh, I just cracked my ankles. Bro, that I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. It didn't work for me. Nah. Yo, this shit doesn't work. Bro, they charge you tax on Topstep? That's crazy. Yeah, it doesn't work. That code's not working. And I can't believe they charge you tax. Oh, it's for first-time users? Fuck that. Yo, I can't believe Topstep charges you tax. Makes me want to even more be out. Yo, what up, Corey? Listen, I would pay $56. There's no fucking way I'm paying $89 plus tax. It's $96.67. Save $20. Go to My Funded Futures. Tomorrow, yo, I'll do poker. I'll set up poker. You want to do poker tomorrow? We'll do a poker tournament. Yeah, Topstep is tripping. Ain't that the truth? They offer the same shit My Funded Futures does, but My Funded Futures is $20 cheaper. And there's, and it's easier to get a payout. 5 days of $100 or more. Today was a good day. Today was a really good day. Yeah, Marie, I'm in with My Funded Futures. I hate their Project X. That's a negative to me. I like using Tradeify personally. They'll probably come back with it. It was daily, but you remember you had to make $500 to pull the money out. It wasn't like Take Profit Trader where you do $100 and pull it out. Yo, if you have 2 free resets, I'd figure out how to use them because it's free. Yo, I heard Funded Ticks just didn't pay somebody. It was all over fucking Twitter. What's wrong with Robinhood? I have Robinhood. Robinhood credit card is amazing, by the way. 3% cash back on everything. Yo, Tommy, are they going to just extend it? Oh, you can't log in? I don't know. You can't hook Project X up to other software though. Ray enjoys when the platform goes down, Dreamer. He looks for platforms that don't operate correctly, and every time you buy, you're automatically down money because of the slippage. That's probably why he likes Project X. Don't get me wrong, it looks fucking cool because obviously it's using TradingView. It looks cool. But just like I wouldn't trade on TradingView either. TradingView's execution's awful. What do I think, Stock Itch? I would wait until Friday to fucking buy. That's what I think. Keeping it reals. I'd wait to see if they bring back 40 on Friday. Yeah. I want to see what Friday brings. If Friday goes back to 40 off, I don't know what their I don't know what my funded futures is going to do for Black Friday, to be honest. Yeah, you get slipped constantly. Constantly getting slipped. I would think Trade Day would do that $59 one again, Corey. It's only $10 cheaper than what it is, but at $59, it's a good deal. You know, I think Trade Day should do $59. Funded Ticks is probably going to do that $38 deal. Apex is probably going to do 80% off 40 like they're doing now, or they're going to go to 90 with 80 PA fee. What else they got? I think TPT is going to go back to 40% off. I think TPT goes back to 40 off. I think some of these other miscellaneous ones. I think my funded futures is going to do. They should do is that $59 core account where you can buy 5 of them. The $59 core accounts were nice. Tradeify doesn't really do really good fucking deals, to be honest. I don't remember the last time Tradeify did a deal where I was like, yo, this is fucking great. I don't remember them. The last time they did a deal that was great was last Christmas. And I bought the that $15 100K deal. I was like, oh, $15 for an account, I'm in. They did the like 12 days of Christmas or some shit like that. Where does it say that? Is it on the thing? I gotta fucking fix this. No consistency rule? I don't know. Who has no consistency rule that's out there? There's probably some, but some I wouldn't even trade with. But yeah, stick with my funded futures. It's probably the best. Tradeify has end of day. Tradeify has end of day. They're legit. Yeah, I'm just trying to think. I think Tradeify. And trade day. Trade Day and Tradeify are two that have it. Oh, did you say end of day or no consistency? No consistency. Tradeify and Tradeify has consistency rules. Trade Day does not. How the fuck you solve going live with my funded futures after the fifth payout? You don't hit the fifth payout. You just, the market happens to go against you, and you're like, fuck, man, I don't have that account anymore. Just got to build back better for again. You know, sometimes it's hard to get that fifth payout, man. Super hard. So hard. Take Profit Trader has no consistency. They're fucking obviously legit. But most of those payouts that you see, I mean, I was using multiple accounts. That's how I got 3 payouts in 2 weeks. I got 6 payouts. And I can get another My Funded Futures payout tomorrow. I'm going to need $100 or more in one of my accounts, and I will have my 7th My Funded Futures. And that would actually make 16 prop firm payouts this month. And if I can request, yo, welcome to the fucking stream, Omni. Yo, my Funded Next is fucking expensive. And also they just changed their rules, but I don't know what the deal. I've taken out more than 10,000 from My Funded Futures. And I'm not live. But I might be able to take out my 16th prop firm payout this month with Apex. If I got to see if I did the right shit after they denied me. A lot of the, so if Trade Day, when you go live, gives you only one account. My Funded Futures gives you one account. If going live, you want multiple accounts, then you want to stay with Take Profit Trader. They keep you at 5 accounts when you go live. Oh, can you go live in one account with my? Yeah, you can, Steve. They merge into one. Funded Next only gives you 15% of your gains when you go live, so you lose all those gains if you go with Funded Next. Bro, Stock Itch, what is Throat Goat, anyways? What the fuck is Throat Goat? Bro. Yeah, Funded Next. So basically, if you're ringing up a big bill with Funded Next, how it was explained to me is, say you have a bunch of money. They can say, oh, well, you're going live now. Yeah, they can force you live. And when they force you live, they basically take all your gains and you keep 15% of it and you go live. Yo, Throat Goat funded? Bro, I never even heard someone. Yeah, he went MIA. Yeah, because everyone got fucked. Yeah. Bro, somebody called him Backshot Brian. I fucking almost died laughing. Funded Next. They changed their rules that basically when they push you live, how it was explained to me is when they push you live, whatever's in your account, you only get to keep 15% of it and you go live. So if you have 100 grand in your account, you get 15% in your live account. And they can push you live at any time. They push you live when you're up 10 grand, 40 grand, 50 grand after your first payout, whenever. Yeah, the rule change. That's what I'm talking about, Ray. Nah, they don't. You don't keep the balances. You only keep 15%. Who keeps the other 85? Not you. Why not take my Fund of Futures account live? Having multiple accounts is better than one for the most part. Fuck, that is right, Marie. You can look it up. But yeah, Backshot Brian was talking about it so hard, and then all these people got pissed, and then he went MIA. Oh, man. Yo, 50% of that fake sim money. But they should pay you out. You fucking earned it. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. He's got fucking 6,000 fucking people watching. What's crazy to me, John, is like, listen, I think he's entertaining, but he's not showing you account numbers. Like, he buys and nobody knows he buys until after he sells. And he's like, oh, I told you I liked it. Like, I don't know. It's just not that transparent. That's my only problem with the whole his whole fucking thing is it's not transparent at all. You know, Apex is great. You just got to follow the rules, you know? All right. No, not my funded futures, Captain. I'm talking about funded next. My funded futures, you keep your shit. Everyone forget about, dude, I have no idea what Padilla is. Like, I use Fidias. Even though it sounds like a fucking STD, I still use Fidias. The rule change is they can push you live at any time, and if they do, you keep 15% of your gains, I think. Ange says no code 50K when turn lives into a static balance of 25 minimum balance of it's not whatever it is, it's not good. Just throat goat prop firm. Yo, Fidias sounds like fancy cheese. They're a French company. I'll tell you what, Fidias has paid me every time I've requested, never had an issue with them. True story. But you got to wait until they're 90% off. All right, let me get these ducks. Duck race. Duck race. By the way, Captain, either Captain Crunch or Captain. There's like 3 captains in here. Ray's looking for you in the Discord. I just copied that. Did that just fucking do something else? That's the Discord link, though. Ray's looking for it. Oh, Captain Crunch. Coach Captain Crunch. There's the Discord link. It's free. Anybody, by the way, I'm going to put the poker link in Discord. So if you're not in there, fucking click over. All right. We're duck racing. Duck race. Boom. Never forget. Edit the list. All right, let's get these fucking duckies going. Duckies! Quack, quack. Yeah, they don't allow multiple funded. Did something new come out about Tori? The last thing I saw, somebody posted that she was using her uncle's account. Somebody also sent me a thirst trap picture of her, and it said, use my code on it. I don't know if she really did it or somebody made it, but either way, it was hysterical. She got exposed again? Yo, Ray, what happened? Yo, whoa, how'd she get exposed again? What happened? Discord's not working? Hold on one second. Dude, it's so weird. Why is this not? All right. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move the Discord link up to the top, by the way. I don't know why it's not at the top. Is it fixed? Is it fixed? Let me see if it's fixed. Yo, click on the top link. Yo, by the way, is JRC in here? Oh, JRC is in here. All right, cool. Yo, I fixed the link tree, by the way. Her uncle is doing her trades in the background. She's just the face, and he's the trader. Yo, Adam, I updated the link. Bro, that's crazy. Saw a video. She was trading on Inman Ghazi's event. Nah, StockX. You can swing trade in Fidias, by the way. They have like yo, guys. You know what time it is? Bro, you guys don't even know what time it is. I'm so fucking excited right now. Yo, what time do you think it is? Oh, baby. No, balls? Better than balls. Well, not better than balls. Yo, Adam, I fixed it. It's No Nut November, and I lost on that one. We're doing the turkey race tomorrow, Marie. I had to kick it off with penguins. Yo, JRC, yo, they're tired. What are they doing? They're sleeping. Yo. Yo, watch he goes to sleep right here. Tell me he goes to sleep. Yo. Tomorrow we do the turkeys. What the hell was that? Yo, it was the penguin race. Yo, AD took a nap. The time is meow. Yo, later, Cash. Tomorrow we do turkeys. Bro, JRC, man, this shit just napped. Yo, I should make an account and only play the drift every day. That's the only play I take is the drift with like 10 minis and see how far I can take it. 10 minis drift every single day. That'd be pretty fucking cool, actually. Mirror Pad 1. Welcome to the stream. Yo, that'd be freaking hysterical. Oh, man. I'm freaking exhausted. Grab a $17 Apex account to do it with. Oh, you mean like a 50K? If they do 90, if they end up doing 90% off, I'll grab a 150K and I'll do every day. I'll do 10 minis on the drift. Oh, I guess the biggest question is I have how many of these props drastically reduce your funds or balance when moving you live? I don't really know, to be honest with you. I don't really know. Apex account. They're doing $40 activation fees. If they have a good sale, yeah. I mean, the sale's good now, but I want 90 off. Fidias only has rhythmic accounts. I use Quant Tower. I use Quant Tower. Yeah. Just an FYI. To my wife, call me. Oh, man. Yeah, I mean, that's why Funded Next isn't the way. Being moved live may as well just be banning you. I'll be honest with you. You don't really want to be live. What's the point of being live? You're better off taking the money they gave you. If it's gonna be one account, better off just taking the money and just dumping your own. What up, Golden Eagle? Rhythmic, you could do Ninja with, yeah. Not all of them though. Not all of them. You got to make sure they're with Ninja. Yeah, just because it's rhythmic doesn't mean. Dude, we're getting in that time of year where the Amazon guy comes here at 11 o'clock at night. How much can you take with your own broker? An infinite amount. An infinite amount. Bro, I almost killed the Amazon guy. He would have delivered no more packages that day. Right on the fucking live stream. Dude, I still got that video. Oh, how much can you move from a prop to every time they pay you out? Whatever the payout is, you take that money and move it. Oh, man. Man, I'm tired. I'm hoping I can request. I won't know if I can request till a little bit. Yo, Steven, seen an Amazon guy going into my neighbor's house while his wife was home alone and stayed in there for a few hours. Yo, it sounds like my friend who worked for Verizon that used to go door to door. He met some chick going door to door, and he would swing by every once in a while. Not gonna lie, if I had a job where I went door to door, I mean, my whole goal would be, yeah. I mean, just for the story alone, it'd be awesome. Oh. Any other questions? I'm gonna go. I got to go pick up my kids. I am gonna be trading tonight. I'll be hanging out in the Discord. If you guys want to hang out, come chill out. I put the link in here a bunch, but if you don't have the link is in the description of this video below. It's free. Not selling you anything in the Discord either. If you get messaged, it's not me. Not selling you anything. Just to fucking hang out. That's pretty much it. Not a bad day. All right. I will see you later on. All right. I'll be back probably around 6 or so. Email me, AD, but it was an Apex account, but you can email me. I'm heading out. Peace.